So if you have challenges with your RTK and you find it difficult to connect with the Matrice 300, I'm going to put a walkthrough on how to go about it. Right? So one of the first things you have to do is make sure that you set everything up. You have to first of all off the Matrice 300 first. Make sure every other device they are turned on. You press wait for 1 second and press and hold. Okay, so you can do the same thing with the RTK mobile station. Make sure everything is off. Once you set the mobile station and you make sure it is centered. Okay. Alright, once you make sure it is centered, yeah, you power on you check the battery as well, and you power on the mobile station. Yeah, you press the middle button to power it on. Okay, so you'll be seeing a red light. Then by the left or right, you might see a red light. If you see a red light blinking by the left, it means it's about to connect. If it is blinking green, it means it's connected. If the middle button is blinking red, make sure you wait before it brings yellow. And then if the one by the right is blinking red or green, make sure it is blinking green. Alright, so to switch mode, you can just show to switch mode. And once you're on it, you press the far right button once. Once you press it once or you hold it down, it will blink once. And you count the number of blinks. The number of blinks will tell you the one specified here. So you can select for broadcast mode. If it's blinking 5 times, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means it's under broadcast mode. And once it is like this, everything is green except from the middle that is yellow. Then you on the drone. So okay. So we're going to power on this one. Once this is press, wait for 1 second, press and hold. We're going to calibrate the gimbal. Okay. We're going to calibrate the gimbal. Alright. So once the gimbal is calibrated, you check the status from the app. I record on the app, so this can record. Yeah, the app is going to power on. Okay, we are set. So we recorded from here. Alright, so when you power on the app, you can press this button twice to go to main menu, or you press this one. When you press one, you go to DJi Pilot. Then you get DJi Pilot, wait for some seconds. Then you make sure that there's enough battery here as well. Make sure that you have enough battery here. Then when you go to manual flight first, you just check for pre-flight checklist. Alright. So on the pre-flight checklist, we're going to connect the RTK now. To connect the RTK, okay. Connect the RTK, you're going to click on these 3 dots here. Alright, then you click on RTK here. Alright, when you click on RTK, you select this one. Make sure this one is under smooth mode, the RTK mobile station. Then you select the RTK mobile station. Then select the status. Alright, once status is selected, let this load. Then you select RTK. Okay, we try.
If you have issues, you should calibrate.
Yeah, you select RTK.
In case you have low signals,
and sometimes you will see low signals here or red. So once you notice that, the best thing is you click here, you notice this one is calibrated. So what you just do, recalibrate it again. So we're going to click on this and try recalibrating it. Click on recalibrate. Then alright, let me just calibrate it. Just recalibrate.
Okay, we're going to be carrying out calibration now.
Make sure that stays here. Maybe it's on this point, make sure that it doesn't go off. Make sure it's rotating on this point.
It's the calibration process.
Alright.
Okay. You can see now. You can turn now.
Like this.
Switch.
Alright.
Okay.
So make sure it's on the same position. Why it's in the center. Alright.
Alright. I think we have it successful. Calibration compass successful.
Once it's successful, it will be very easy for the RTK to get connected. So once you've calibrated it like that, just go back here, then click on this middle button and check this RTK, then go back. You see not connected here, you wait for some seconds, then it's going to get connected. Or you click on it again and then retry. So once you click on retry, it allows this to load. Click on retry to allow it to load. Then once this loads finish, then you select RTK. Once it's checked, you will see it's shown white here. Then you go back and you wait for this to converge. And once it's converging, you also be observing this by the right to turn green. Alright? You're going to wait for some seconds.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So you notice this side here as well. Make sure you stay observed with that. Yeah, you notice it has turned green now. Perfect. So that's how you connect your RTK. So the next video we're going to show you how to set up a flight plan. Most people are having issues with this flight plan and it's very difficult to do a flight plan with linear flight plan. Alright, especially want to create a map for a road or railway track or pipeline. Alright.